In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number to your Shopify store. Having a phone number on your store can enhance customer trust, providing visitors with a direct line to your business and boosting overall credibility, which is crucial for increasing sales and fostering a loyal customer base. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, find your way to the online store section. You'll see this option on the left side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Themes. Now, within this Themes section, click on Customize. This will bring up your current theme editor where you can make adjustments to how your store appears. Next, carefully look at the top of the screen, and you'll notice a drop-down menu. Typically, it might display either home page or another default name. What you're aiming to do here is select the header option. The header is important as it's the section that potential customers will notice first, often positioned at the top of every page on your site. Click on it, and within a few moments, it should bring up various options and settings related to the header section. Moving on, you should see a list of customizable options. One of these is usually an option to input contact details. If you don't see it immediately, look for something labeled Contact Info or similar. Once you find it, click to expand that section. Here is where you'll input your phone number. It might be useful at this point to think about the format you'll use. A common structure includes your country code, area code, and the number itself. Remember to keep it consistent with how your audience would typically format phone numbers, minimizing confusion for your international customers. After entering the phone number, take a moment to double-check it for any errors. It's always a good idea to ensure accuracy. After all, this is how your customers will reach you for help, questions, or orders. Once you're sure everything looks good, move to the top right corner and click Save. This will confirm your changes and update your store's front end. But don't just stop here. It's always worth clicking through to the preview option, which allows you to see your store from a visitor's perspective. Make sure your phone number is visible, well placed, and not overcrowded by other elements on the page. And there you have it. You've successfully added your phone number to your Shopify store, making it easier than ever for customers to get in touch with you. Remember, enhancing your store's contact options not only builds trust but can also significantly improve your sales conversions by making your business seem more approachable and reliable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.